a copy of the Model Y. It's actually a radical redesign of the core technology of building a car.
Elon Musk is definitely not joking about confirming Cybercab production using the 50,000-ton super monster GigaPress. This is not merely an equipment upgrade. It is a technological slap in the face that forces the entire automotive industry to either reinvent itself or be wiped out. So, how GigaPress entirely changed automakers in 2027. But to understand why this purge is so terrifying, look no further than the reality behind the 50,000-ton figure. It represents a clamping force of roughly 500,000 cons, 3 times more powerful than today's most advanced 16,000-ton machines. This immense force allows the system to handle massive volumes of molten aluminum, filling extremely large and complex molds at lightning speed. While older machines struggle to inject around 80 kilograms of aluminum per cycle, the 50,000-ton GigaPress drives the process with overwhelming velocity, virtually eliminating the risk of premature solidification. At this scale, greater size translates directly into absolute power. The destructive productivity and the shrinking factory footprint are where the impact becomes truly terrifying. Consider this. A conventional large casting machine produces just one structural component per cycle. The 50,000-ton GigaPress, by contrast, can produce up to 5 massive parts simultaneously, with each cycle lasting only 1 to 2 minutes. Thousands of large components can be produced daily without increasing operational complexity. More importantly, its effect on factory design is revolutionary. Forget the traditional image of 70 to 100 stamped steel parts welded together by hundreds of robots. Tesla discards this entirely and replaces it with a single cast structure. The result is dramatic. Factory floor space is reduced by 30 to 40%. Labor costs plunge and operations become astonishingly streamlined. Tesla is not optimizing the old system. It is eliminating complexity at its root. Despite its colossal scale, the system operates with extreme precision down to the micron level. Molten aluminum at around 850 degrees Celsius is purified to remove impurities larger than 25 microns, smaller than the width of a human hair. Immediately after injection, the casting undergoes thermal shock, rapidly cooling from about 400 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius to lock in superior material properties. At this level, speed may be king, but consistency is absolute tyranny. This becomes the ultimate weapon for delivering an electric vehicle priced below $30,000. Of course, entry into this future is not cheap. A single 50,000-ton GigaPress costs between $43 million and $65 million, with an additional $1.5 to $2.5 million for tooling. Yet this is a game of burning capital to dominate. By eliminating hundreds of parts, removing large numbers of welding robots, and simplifying the supply chain, Tesla captures enormous long-term profit per vehicle. This is the golden ticket that enables Elon Musk to push toward a $25,000 EV, an aggressive price point capable of reshaping the entire competitive landscape. From a historical perspective, the shockwave of GigaPress is not just a technical milestone. It is an extinction-level event for legacy thinking, comparable to Henry Ford's assembly line or the lean manufacturing system pioneered by Toyota. However, there is a brutally important difference. While Ford and Toyota focused on improving efficiency, Tesla is eliminating entire processes. Elon Musk is not taking shortcuts. He is demolishing the old road and building an entirely new empire. Looking toward 2027, widely seen as a judgment year for survival in the EV era, automotive giants across the United States, Germany, and Europe are scrambling to adapt under immense pressure. The sheer force of the 50,000-ton machine exposes the fatal weaknesses of traditional manufacturing systems, forcing even the most established players to search desperately for lifelines in a battlefield where the rules have already changed. In Europe, transformation is cautious. Volvo adopts a safer approach, gradually implementing 9,000-ton systems combined with modular design to avoid catastrophic production risks. Meanwhile, German automakers, long proud of their precision engineering, are increasingly unsettled by the rise of giga casting across the Atlantic. Even on home ground, Ford Motor Company and Hyundai Motor Company are pouring billions into casting facilities to avoid being pushed out of the market by 2027. The intensity extends into Asia, where Toyota is being forced to rebuild its EV foundation from the ground up, aiming to cut up to half of its production steps. Once considered a hallmark of its excellence, Nissan is also entering this survival race, targeting the consolidation of around 100 separate components into a single casting with ambitions to reduce costs by 30% and weight by 20%. Yet the real tragedy of this race lies in a fundamental misalignment of mindset.